Since 1937, Stearns Electric Association has proudly provided homes and businesses with reliable and affordable electricity from our headquarters in Melrose. And as the Cooperative has grown, we have added a branch office in St. Joseph, Minnesota. This year, we are excited to begin serving our member consumers from our new operations center and headquarters in Melrose, which will replace the current facility that was built in 1970. This new modern facility will significantly improve our ability to provide safe, dependable energy to over 29,000 members across our service territory.
GLT Architects, our construction manager W. Goldman, and 25 local contractors and subcontractors have all played big roles in bringing our headquarters to life. On August 19th, we reached a major milestone with the installation of the first exterior precast wall panel. Our goal was to have the building fully enclosed by mid-December of 2024 to allow contractors to work inside throughout the cold winter months. This was accomplished in November, when the roof was completed and the windows were installed.
Once complete, the new building will include several expanded spaces to support our service for members. The new pole yard, completed in October 2024, has already streamlined vehicle traffic so that line crews can more efficiently gather the supplies and equipment they need. The new garage, warehouse, mechanic shop, wash bay, and special equipment area will make up 2/3 of the facility. This area will provide adequate space for the large vehicles, equipment, and supplies needed to maintain our distribution system, efficiently respond to power outages, and meet our members' needs. The new mechanic area will allow us to service multiple co-op vehicles at a time to speed up repairs and get them safely back on the road. The dispatch area will include the technology and space needed for employees to manage outages and restore power as quickly as possible. And finally, internal meeting rooms will offer plenty of room for employees and board members to complete required safety training, meet with members, and conduct monthly board meetings.
Construction is currently over halfway complete. This significant investment remains on budget and on track for move-in by the end of summer 2025. As construction continues, our employees and board members remain committed to our Cooperative's main focus of efficiently delivering affordable, reliable, and safe energy.
For more information about the new headquarters and operations center, please visit stearnselectric.org/Melrose-facility.